Reversing the latch on a multi-lock. Go ahead, Greg. Insert a Allen wrench into the opening. And you're going to basically unscrew the screw that goes into the latch. And then you see here, this is threaded. So you just turn it over and then you thread it back on. Okay, this is a single point lock set for GU hardware. We're getting ready to show you how to reverse the latch on the lock set. There's instructions for doing this actually on the lock set, but here we go. Go ahead, Greg, show us.
Turn it over. There's a little slot there. Push in on it. Flip it. There. It has to click.
Okay. So that's all there is to it.